Hello everyone, I am Dr. P.M. Ardhapurkar, Professor and Head, Mechanical Engineering Department, Mavli Group of Institutions, College of Engineering and Technology, Shegaon. In the previous lecture, you understood the importance of adiabatic mixing of air streams and finding out mixture conditions. In this video lecture, I would take one numerical on adiabatic mixing of air streams. At the end of this lecture, I hope you will be able to determine the mixture conditions after adiabatic mixing of two air streams. This is an example: 300 meter cube per minute of fresh air at 30 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 50% relative humidity is to be mixed with 800 meter cube per minute of recirculated air at 22 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 10 degrees centigrade dew point temperature. Determine the enthalpy, specific volume, humidity ratio and dew point temperature of the mixture. In order to solve this numerical, let's first understand what is the given data. Stream 1 as a fresh air for which volume flow rate is given, that is 300 meter cube per minute. Its dry bulb temperature is 30 degrees centigrade and relative humidity is 50%. For recirculated air as stream 2, the volume flow rate V2 is 800 meter cube per minute, dry bulb temperature is 22 degrees centigrade and dew point temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. These two streams are mixed to get a mixture. We have to find out the condition for the stream 3, its enthalpy, specific humidity, specific volume and dew point temperature. In order to solve this numerical, let's take the help of psychrometric chart. Since for a fresh air, dry bulb temperature and relative humidity is given, you can locate point 1 on the psychrometric chart, which represents stream 1. It is simply the intersection of 50% RH line with the 30 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature. Similarly, you can locate point 2, that is intersection of 10 degrees centigrade dew point temperature and 22 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature line, which represents the stream 2, that is recirculated air. Once you locate point 1, you can get for the stream 1 specific humidity W1, you can read enthalpy H1 from the chart, and also you can obtain 0.876 as a specific volume meter cube per kg, which is shown here. Similarly, you can get for stream 2, that is for recirculated air, the enthalpy, specific humidity and a specific volume. Now you know that the mixture condition, that is point 3, will fall on a line joining point 1 and 2. Now in order to locate point 3, if you calculate enthalpy, for example, you can locate point 3, or you can calculate specific humidity for mixture and you can locate point 3. Once you locate point 3, you can obtain the rest parameters. Now how to calculate this specific humidity, enthalpy and dew point temperature for the mixture? For that, you have an equation which represents the ratio of mass flow rate of the two streams, that is m1 upon m2 is equal to h3 minus h2 upon h1 minus h3 is also equal to specific humidity W3 minus W2 upon W1 minus W3. Now this equation demands a mass flow rate of two streams. Since the volume flow rate are given for stream 1 and stream 2, and you know the corresponding specific volumes, you can find out mass flow rate m1 for stream 1 and mass flow rate m2 as for the fresh air. So that is M1 is equal to V1 upon Vs1. It will come out as 342.07 kg per minute, M2 as 945.6 kg per minute. So using the equation, if you look at this equation, the only unknown is H3, because you know M1, you know M2, you know H1 enthalpy and H2 enthalpy. Only unknown is H3. So once you calculate H3 from this equation, you can locate point 3 on a line joining 1 and 2. Or otherwise, calculate W3, that is specific humidity, from this equation and locate point 3 on a line joining 1 and 2. Once you locate point 3 on the line, you can obtain the other parameters. So this H3 is calculated here by putting the values of H1 and H2 and mass flow rates for both the streams. It comes out 47.86 kilojoule per kg. So then plot point 3 on the line joining points 1 and 2, corresponding to the enthalpy. H3 is equal to 47.86 kilojoule per kg. Once you locate point 3, you can obtain from the psychrometric chart the specific volume which was required for the mixture. That comes out as 0.855 meter cube per kg. Humidity ratio, that means specific humidity for the mixture was the question. It comes out as 0.0092 kg per kg of dry air, and a dew point temperature of the mixture, that is 312.7 degrees centigrade. So with this method you can solve the numerical on the adiabatic mixing of air streams. I hope you are now able to understand and able to calculate the mixture conditions, provided the conditions for stream 1 and stream 2 are given. Thank you very much.